Hey, what is up guys? In this video, I'm gonna address and provide you solutions for the two minor issues that you may have faced while trying to fund your Interactive Brokers account using the Wise ACH transfer method as I've shown in my previous video. The first problem that some of you have addressed to me is the new Interactive Brokers instruction for the direct ACH transfer method is now slightly changed and they have removed their name and address details, which is something that you will need to key in later in your Wise account. No worries, everything in my previous video still works. You just need to follow this Interactive Brokers instruction as usual. Save this now while using the same IBKR address details that I've shown you before. And just for completion's sake, I will also show you here so that you can follow them step by step. Referring to my previous video, I will now jump straight into step 3, direct ACH transfer from Wise to IBKR. So here we are in my Wise US dollar balance with $100 US preloaded in it, as I've shown you how in my previous video. And for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to send this $100 US to my IBKR account. At the top, click send. Then at this page, click same currency since you are sending US dollar from Wise to Interactive Brokers US dollar account. For the amount up to you, that will be $100 US for me. Click continue and you will reach this page asking you who are you sending money to. Ignore this middle part and under new recipient with 3 boxes, select the third box, business or charity, since Interactive Brokers is a financial institution which is a business entity. At this page, you are required to key in the details from your Interactive Brokers instruction. Let's do this one by one. For email, you can leave it empty. I left it empty as well. Bank details, remember to select local bank account, and then for the name of the business/organization, type in Interactive Brokers LLC. ACH routing number, copy that from your instruction. Mine will be 044000804. Account number, key in the 11-digit number from your instruction as well. Remember to double check this number. You wouldn't want to send it wrongly to someone else. Account type, remember to choose checking. Moving on to recipient address, which is Interactive Brokers in this case. So country, choose United States. City, type in Greenwich. Recipient address, type in 1 Pickwick Plaza. State, choose Connecticut. And lastly, for zip code, key in 06830. Now before I move on, the reason why I asked you to fill in the following address details is because Interactive Brokers business address never changed before. I have no idea why they remove it from the instruction in the first place, but no worries, their updated business address can be found from this HIPAA Space website. I will put a link down below so that you can cross-check their business address details. And just in case there's any update here, I will always jot down in the pinned comment down below, so remember to check that out. And while you're at it, can you please help me click this link? I will get a small candy from Interactive Brokers at no extra cost to you whatsoever. Thank you so much. Okay, back to the transfer. Click confirm and you will be asked to reveal details of your transfer. For reference, I will say key in your Interactive Brokers account number, should be in the form of U12345667. Tick the box, then click confirm and send. Type in your password to approve this transfer and your transfer will start its processing right away. It will take some time before it reaches your Interactive Brokers account. As you can see here, mine took less than 24 hours before I see my $100 US reflected in my account, which you can check under the transaction status and history tab. So clearly this method still works. So enjoy your cost savings and remember to drop a comment down below if you have successfully funded your account using this Wise ACH method. The next problem is not so much of an issue itself, where some of you asked me why you couldn't get the direct ACH transfer option as I've shown in my video. This is simply because you have not received your account approval from Interactive Brokers, which means you still have limited access to your account. Don't worry, all you need to do is just wait patiently until Interactive Brokers email you that your account is ready, and you should be able to see the direct ACH transfer option when you choose to fund your account with US dollar. Alright, that is all for today's video. Smack the like button down below if this helped. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to stay safe, stay invested, and as usual, I will see you in the next one.